With ChatGPT, you no longer need to buy or read this book. You no longer need to buy or read any book about copywriting, and you will, all right, we'll stop there. Yes, you should read and buy this book. It is the ultimate book on copywriting. You will learn a ton from every page on this book, and you should read it more than once. But in this video, I am going to show you that ChatGPT knows about this book, and it can help you understand what's in this book a lot more and actually make money online by using the power of ChatGPT. Now, in this case, you're going to need an offer. Go over to Clickbank. We're looking at this product called Appeline. You can see here they've laid out the average conversion for this product is $139. Come down to the affiliate page. Click the affiliate page. You can see here that you can earn up to $250 average per order. Now, what we're focused on is the information here inside of these email swipes. We are going to feed this information into ChatGPT from email number 2, specifically the subject, as well as the content of this email. To set the context, that means to let GPT know what we're going to be doing in this chat. We're going to ask it, do you know the book, The Copywriter's Handbook by Robert W. Bly? Of course, you've read this book, so you know what's going on. And ChatGPT also understands and knows what this book is all about. So now that we are both on the same page, or all three of us are on the same page, you, me, ChatGPT, based on the copywriting techniques from this book, create an outline for a squeeze page to get email leads from the following swipe email provided by the product vendor. Here's a subject line that we looked at over on the Appeline or the vendor's Clickbank product page. And of course the email, we pasted that in there and ChatGPT has said, sure. Here's an outline for a squeeze page. It's given us a headline. Here is the headline. Tired of struggling with weight loss? Discover the 5-second ice hack that helped a mom of 3 lose 62 pounds. The introduction for the squeeze page is going to address the pain points that they mentioned in the email. You're going to utilize that information. You're also going to show off the ice hack, a little proof, and have a solid call to action. And then you're going to close with a video or something that summarizes everything that's going on to give them a real reason to want to get this product that you're promoting on the squeeze page. Check out this squeeze page. This squeeze page is based upon or what it would look like, the information once you laid it out visually on a squeeze page that you actually got from ChatGPT. Fat mom now looks like this. This would be your headline, down 62 pounds. Here are some results, some before, some after. Here's a story. Here's also some more information about the ice hack, as well as some statistics about how metabolism is going to go up by 450%. Then there is a video that details some more information and then a call to action saying, show me the video. Check out in the left-hand corner, hop.clickbank.net. This is an affiliate for Appeline. You can see they have a TID or what is called a tracking ID. Now, ChatGPT isn't going to do this for you, but you can go over to Clickbank and you can look at their Hop Links guide. And then you can take the next step as an affiliate marketer to be able to see from your traffic sources out there, from the traffic that's coming to your page, you can see who's clicking or which source is making you the most money by putting in these tracking IDs. And they give you some great examples here, how to track your traffic from your blog. Here, if you were posting to a forum, if the rules let you do that, don't be spamming. Here, if you were using Twitter, of course, if you're using YouTube, you could do the exact same thing and you would know exactly where your traffic is coming from. Aha, now you have ChatGPT. You also have taken the time and understand that you need to focus on learning really how marketing works to include copywriting. So you've read this book and you've been able to set the context inside of ChatGPT to let it do the heavy lifting for you, or to at least generate some ideas to get things moving faster and to allow you to focus on what you need to focus on next, which is your traffic source, to use those tracking IDs that we just learned about to get over to that squeeze page that ChatGPT has laid out for you to get things moving and get to start earning money online as an affiliate marketer using the power of ChatGPT, of course, your own knowledge that you got from this book, and the traffic source that you have identified and started using. Of course, if you want to know more about traffic, check out the video that you see right here. Click that one, learn all about traffic, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.